So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my Aliexpress package. As well as giving you tips on how to shop on Aliexpress from Nigeria. So if you're interested in this video, then you should definitely keep watching. Hi guys, my name is Ruth. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, you're welcome. Kindly subscribe to join the family, like this video, drop a comment and share. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my Aliexpress package. As well as giving you tips on how to shop on Aliexpress from Nigeria. So if you're interested in this video, then you should definitely keep watching. So guys, I ordered from Aliexpress for the first time, and I ordered this wireless microphone. I ordered the wireless microphone on Aliexpress and I got my package yesterday, and I would like us to unbox together. Okay. So I ordered for the wireless microphone with the adapter, and this is how it came. Okay, this already looks like it's going to be nice. I like this. So this is it. We are going to unbox it. It's so hard. Okay. This is how it comes like. So it has this where you, I think this is what you connect to your port of your phone, and then two microphones. I ordered for two, and this is the way it comes, guys. I'm going to be testing it out to see if it actually works, but I'm sure it's going to work. So guys, let's go into the tips that you will need to know if you want to successfully make order from Aliexpress. First of all, you need to have the Aliexpress app on your phone in order to be able to successfully make orders from the Aliexpress app. Now you can order from the website as well, but I personally recommend the Aliexpress app because you also get discounts. You have discounts when you shop from the app. So that's the first thing you will need in order to be able to successfully make orders from the Aliexpress app. Now let's go into sourcing for products or items. Now there are two ways you can sort for products or items on the Aliexpress app. You can either sort using pictures, or you sort by just texting and inputting what you want to look for. Now if you go to the home page of the app, you'll see a place where you can search, and you also see like a camera logo. For that camera logo, that is where you can use pictures to search. When you click on the camera logo, it will ask you to have access to your gallery, to the pictures on your phone. You give access, and then you can just click on the picture of the item that you are trying to search for, and that way you'll be able to search for pictures. Now personally, I do look out for free delivery or cheap delivery. Now this my order was delivered to me for free. I only paid for the product, and I even got a discount, which is first order discount, and we are going to be going there later. So I got a discount and I used free delivery. So I checked for free delivery or cheap delivery, because you don't want to order for an item that is like 5,000 naira and you're paying 5,000 naira as well for delivery. Except if it is really worth it, then you can go for it. If not, you can just go for free delivery or cheap delivery. Another thing you want to look out for is the review. Now this one cannot even be overemphasized, and I think it is the most important thing you need to look out for when sourcing items on Aliexpress. The reviews, guys, the reviews. Once you see an item that you are interested in, click on the item. It will take you to the details of the item. Just go to the reviews. Trust me, reviews don't lie. Even if some people want to lie, a whole thousands of people or hundreds of people won't lie. And on Aliexpress, there's also chance for picture reviews. So customers that have bought before put pictures of what they ordered on the review, and then you can go through the reviews, see what people are saying about it. If majority of the people like this product and give positive feedback, then I think you are good to go. But if they are giving bad review, then please just leave that that page and go and look for another product. There is also discount for first customers. Yes, if you're a first time buyer, you get a discount. Like I said, my order for my wireless microphone was actually $13 and 40 cents, but I got a first order discount. I had -$4, so I had to pay $9.40, which was about 5,000 naira, and I think it's really worth it. I'm going to be testing that later on. Let's go to the delivery, guys. So the delivery, shopping on Aliexpress, I'll say you have to be really patient, because it takes time. It takes weeks, it takes months at most. Like, should I say 2 months at most? So it really takes time. So you have to be, if you need something urgently, I won't advise you to go to Aliexpress. Just go to probably markets and around your side and go and shop there. But if you don't need it like urgently, then you can shop from Aliexpress. Like what I ordered from Aliexpress, my microphone, it took me about, I can't really remember, but I think about a month. They told me I was going to get it August 11th, but then I got it way before August 11th. I got it way before August 11th. I got it around ending of July. Yeah, I got it around ending of July. So yeah, that was fast. That was okay, because I was expecting it August 11th. And most times your order goes to your post office, the nearest post office. And yes, I think I forgot to mention that when you get the app, you need to open an account. You fill your details, fill your country, put your phone number, put your address, because that's the address that will determine where it's be shipped to. Obviously, to put it to the nearest post office. But surprisingly for me, mine was delivered literally to my doorstep. I was not expecting it. I was expecting my post office to give me a call saying I have an order with them and I should come pick it up. But then some lady called me and was like, she's looking for my address, that she wants to give me my order, and it was really nice. So I got my order direct to my doorstep. I hope these few tips has been is helpful. Don't forget, review is like the holy grail. You need to check the reviews on Aliexpress so as not to buy what I ordered versus what I received. There are a lot of scammers everywhere. So now let's test out this microphone, guys. Let's test it out. Okay, so guys, I already set it up. I hope, I don't know, I can't say right now if this is actually good, if it's actually working, but I think after this video I'm going to check it and see. I really hope it works, and I'm really excited. Oh my god. Okay, so this is it. This is my microphone that I ordered on Aliexpress for 5,000 naira, guys. 5,000 naira. So I hope this you find this video helpful and insightful. And if you have any other question about how I shopped, if you need the link to this, then I think I'll drop it. I'll drop it in the description box. If you need the link to this microphone, I'll drop it in the description box. And if you have any other questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I'll be answering all your questions. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video.